How to get rid of CAPTCHA on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get rid of CAPTCHA on Omegle. To get rid of CAPTCHA on Omegle, first open up the web browser. Once you get into the web browser, click on three dots from the top right corner. Then click on the settings option from here. After that, scroll down in settings and click on site settings. Now, scroll down in site settings and click on third-party cookies. Then click to add a site exception right here. After that, tap to add your site by entering its URL. Once you add the site in here, get back to the web browser and search here for Omegle. After getting into your Omegle site, hopefully you will get rid of CAPTCHA on Omegle. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.